For those interested in tiling window managers in X11 then, not Wayland, Herbstluftwm or hlwm for short, can be installed, and it's done with the Ctrl+Alt+E, Archlinux Tweak Tool. Open it up, go to desktop, not Wayland, right? Desktop. And this one is the very last new one, and the previous one addition was Dusk. So just a click and install and enter. Everything is already there. And this is your hlwm, right? This is your, could be your tiling window manager with Polybar at the top with the volume and the RAM, CPU, the date, and some other tools you like to have in the system panel there. So this is super enter. This is super shift enter. This is super T. This is super D. Escape, super Q, super shift Q. So the normal things like super X. Let's log out again because this is not our thing. And you choose whatever you like, install whatever you like on Kiro with Archlinux Tweak Tool, not only on Kiro, anything Archlinux, of course, because it's the Archlinux Tweak Tool that provides it, and of course the Nemesis repo and maybe other repos if necessary. So try it out. Herbstluftwm is on GitHub. You can find it and read all about it in there. Cheers.